Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Shedan's Tech Zone. In this video I'll show you guys how to speed your Windows 10. So after installing Windows 10 in your laptop and using it for some time, you may notice that your computer getting slower, RAM slower. So let's start how to speed your Windows 10. At first you need to disable all unwanted program. So go to the task manager. Then click on startup. May you notice that some unregistered programs are installed and they are take a processing time and RAM slower. You need to disable all unwanted starting programs such as mute torrent, overflow keyboard, auto transfer to PC, many types of software. So mute torrent disable, auto transfer to PC disable, overflow disable. May notice that there are some system program, Windows program installed. You need to do this disable. Never. Okay, then close the window. Now second step, go to this search bar and type run. Click. Then type msconfig. Okay. And go to the services. All Microsoft services are unhide and active. They're gonna take a processing time and RAM slower. So need to do hide all Microsoft services. Then hide all Microsoft services. Click OK. Now third step, power options. Power and sleep settings. Click. Now screen right side additional power setting. Click. There are three options: 1 balanced, 2 high performance, and 3 power saver. You need to click in high performance. Okay, close the window. You can fast Windows 10 if you follow this step. Now fourth step, go to the search bar and type adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click. There are three types of options. Let Windows choose what's best for my computer, adjust for best appearance, adjust for best performance. You need to click adjust for best performance. Then click apply. And okay, close the window. This time my computer fonts are changed. And also you guys will notice that no animation, no running. Your computer will run much faster than the previous day before following all these steps. So guys, you think that my video has helped you guys, then share you my friend and press subscribe button and check it out my Facebook account. Thanks to all.